The best way to prevent speeding in company vans is to combine real-time tracking technology with clear written policies and consistent accountability, so drivers know they are being monitored and understand the consequences of breaking the rules. Think of it like this: when nobody is watching, some drivers naturally drive faster because they feel like nobody will know. But when you install a GPS tracking device or a small dash camera that monitors speed, drivers change their behavior almost immediately because they know someone could be watching. This is actually backed by research on something called the observer effect, which means people behave better simply because they know they are being observed. A lot of company owners do not realize that some fleet tracking systems can automatically send you an alert the moment a vehicle goes above a certain speed limit, which means you can address the issue before it becomes a repeated habit or leads to an accident. Setting a clear speed policy, reviewing driving reports weekly, and rewarding safe drivers with small incentives can make a huge difference over time. One common mistake is only reacting after an accident happens instead of being proactive with monitoring, so try scheduling a short weekly review of driving data to catch problems early. Another misconception is thinking that yelling at or punishing a driver after one incident will fix the issue, when really it works better to have calm, consistent conversations paired with clear expectations from day one. Many business owners also forget to consider the vehicle itself, since older vans without speed limiters or safety technology make it much easier for drivers to speed without even realizing it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job It tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.